Okay, so here's a demonstration of how we can dilate a shape about some random point. So what I'll do is I'll just first draw any shape you want. I think the last time I did a quadrilateral, I'll do something similar to that. It's kind of a trapezoid type of a shape. And just kind of sketching it out here. I'm going to go ahead and label it. Sometimes I forget to do my labeling there. A, B, C, D. And I'm going to take this thing and I'm going to expand it out. I'm going to make it bigger. I'm thinking I might make it, I don't know. We'll just see what happens here. Maybe I'll go up 3 times as big but we need a center here. Okay, so let's take it. Oh, let's put a center here. I'm just going to call it point P, right? And then we'll follow the steps if you watched the previous video. If you didn't, each of these vertices gets a line connected to the P. So I'll start down here with P to C, and I'll just extend this thing out. That allows me plenty of space to work with when I do that. And then I'm going to go B to P, connect those up. Try to be precise so that it looks really nice when you're done. Then A to P. And then A to B finally. And these are the lines on which your vertices are going to rest when you scale this thing up and down. All right, ready to roll? So when you just take your compass, once you got those lines there, you're ready to roll on this. I'm gonna measure how far each of these points are from P, and we're gonna keep that consistent. All right. So let's take P and C. I'm going to try to keep my compass. I'll do my best. This is a loose compass, so get one that's nice and tight. Try to keep this the same. I'll come and I'll trace it, make a little swipe, and then keeping my compass the same, make another swipe, and we'll call this C prime. This is going to be my point. Repeat those steps with every one of your points. P to B is a little bit shorter, so move your compass in. You're just using your compass. Remember, your compass makes your radiuses the same. So this is about where I want that. I'm going to try to keep it the same and do a swipe. And I'll do another swipe. And I'm going to call this B prime. Repeat that for A. Here we go. See if I can get this. Now we're just doing a swipe. We could do a full circle, and that way you can make the connection between all radiuses of a circle are the same length. This just allows us to be congruent without having to use high-tech tools. This was A, right? And then why did I label this A, B, C, B? Let's call that D, y'all. Wow, there we go. And finally, our last one is the other B that we had before, the real B. Okay, is this about this far away? So keep your compass the same distance away. Mark it again. And now I've got my B prime at that point right there. And so I have my 4 points. I can connect them up. And show you the quadrilateral that I have just made. Are you ready? Take a look at our final product here. You can probably see it coming into shape. And so there I have taken an original object such as this, and I've expanded it out so everything remains similar about it as it expands. So hopefully you'll see that we have accomplished. I'm just going to shade in, just do some big shapes. You can do better with this as far as your shading in goes. This is actually really useful in art when you do perspective drawings. You can create objects that are the same, but they're just spread apart a little bit. And so there we have it.